Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an empathy map. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, the empathy map is a model of understanding. It got the following characteristics. Before you do the empathy map, you have to recollect information. Could be of a group or could be of a person. It allows to increase the understanding of the behavior of a target group or determined people. It is used in the definition state of a project that is being worked with the design thinking methodology. The model allows to tabulate the information to collect. At the end of the development of this model, it should be possible to have a better understanding of the behavior of the target group that is being analyzed. The components of the empathy map are: what do you see? What do you say and do? What do you hear? What do you think and feel? Efforts and results. So this is the map. The way that I'm gonna show you is the way I do the empathy map. So first you put an image here. The image that you put here are the group of people that you are analyzing or the person that you are analyzing. So it's very important that you put an image because that will always remind you who are you analyzing. The empathy map, usually you do it analog, and after that you can make vectors. That is very important. It can be done by group or individual. After that, when you are analyzing a group of a person, the first thing that you are gonna put what do you see? So you are gonna describe the situation that you are looking. That is very important. You have to be very specific in this part. All the surrounding, all the interaction that you are seeing, you write it very, very, very specific. After that, what do you say and do? So you are looking all and watching all the interactions, and you watch that they are talking and they are doing things. So here you describe all that situation. That is very important. It's very important also to see the attitude that the people have and the empathy that they develop between each other or with the environment. After that, you analyze what do you hear. So it's very important to listen. Listen whatever they're saying and the way they talk and if they use slang, if they use any words specific to describe something, it's very important that you write all of that. Then, what do you think and feel? Here you have to analyze and see what is the attitude that the people have to different situations. That's very important. So analyze the interactions between each other and the group and try to guess what they are thinking and feeling in the activities that they are doing. After that, you have to analyze the efforts. Which actions you see that they are difficult and how they deal with that. If you also can see which are the frustrations that they got, the obstacles that they see to have with different situations, is also very important that you write that. And finally, you analyze the results. This means that you are gonna see, not just guess, but to believe what are the things that they need. You can make here an insight. The results are really an insight that you write about the analysis that you make of the whole situation. As a conclusion, we can say that when you finish using this matrix, you must be able to understand better the potential user, their behavior, their needs, their states, and everything that they do. The idea of the empathy map is that you understand the people and what they do. It also allows you to make decisions about what actions to take in the project and what you should do about this. So when you finish your empathy map, you will analyze and say, okay, this is what I have to do because the insight and the whole analysis that I did about this allowed me to say that this is what I have to do. With the insight of the model, you can go to the ideation phase. Remember that the design thinking process has 6 stages. And when you finish the empathy map, you can go to the next stage, which is ideation. That is very important. Thank you so much. I hope this video help you with the construction or the project or the activity that you are making. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Design Thinking 24/7. In these channels we have special information every week of the activity that we do with our project. Every Monday, a new video in English. No, sorry, in Spanish. And on Thursday, a video in English. Thank you so much. And we'll see you next time. And thank you to all of you. We are the #1 channel of design thinking in YouTube.